overpass is right next to it. It's a nice restaurant if you want to come out here to eat. As you can see, the conductor gave us an extra few blows. How you like that? Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We love Wiggins, man. It's building up out here. Stone County. Lots of new stuff going on. If you get a chance to come out, though, you got to check out the Whistle Stop restaurant. Got shrimp, all you can eat kind of stuff. I mean, they got a lot of choices in there. It's delicious food, man. Come down and enjoy. Thank y'all for visiting. God bless. Oh, they had the fried green tomatoes there. Remember, I had that, huh? That was good. Good country living out here, man. Lots of opportunity. Lots of families. Family stuff. No red tape. Good people. Here comes the end of the train. I'd like to say thank you to the conductor and all the railroad personnel as well. And thank you to the restaurant owners of Whistle Stop and the workers for doing what y'all do. God bless you. Thank y'all for keeping our communities moving.